My name is Lisa Milton. I'm a friend of the King family and an attorney who has represented members of the family in their efforts to obtain the truth of what happened to their son and brother, Timothy King. Timothy King was an 11-year-old boy who was abducted in March 1977. He was held by his abductors, molested, and murdered several days later after his abduction. Tim was one of 4 children abducted and murdered in Oakland County in 1976 and 1977. The story that is going to be told by this video is that of Tim's family's pursuit of those responsible for his murder and how many individuals whose job it is to investigate these types of matters have failed in their responsibilities. As you will discover from the information presented, this failure was the result of incompetence or for the purposes of protecting others. However, this is not to say that everyone who has investigated this case was ineffectual. There are exceptions. From 1977 to October 27, 2009, Barry King, the father of Tim King, believed that those responsible for investigating the murder of his son and the 3 other victims were doing everything they could to discover and arrest the persons involved. That belief was changed on October 27, 2009. Barry King will explain in detail what happened on October 27, 2009, and what he and the other King members believe what they've discovered since that time. From October 27, 2009 until March 1, 2010 will be presented in chronological order. The information concerning events that occurred after March 1, 2010 will not be presented in chronological order, but in a manner that is intended to make the narrative easier to follow. You will hear from Kathy King Broad, Tim's sister, who her father has referred to as the girl who kicked over the hornet's nest, when she brought information she obtained from her childhood friend Patrick Coffey to the attention of law enforcement officials she thought that she could trust to pursue this information in a proper manner. You will hear from David Binkley, an attorney and law partner of Barry King. He will describe the reactions of law enforcement officials after he complied with their request to file a civil litigation against the known suspects. You will also hear from William Beecham, a family friend, a former Indianapolis police officer, a former FBI agent. Mr. Beecham has looked at the information that is available thus far, and he's provided analysis from the perspective of a law enforcement official. After you hear all this information, you will be informed of the injustice that has been done.